Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 12S and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings because we will begin with customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you faster access. So right here we have to enter display and brightness, and as you can see there we've got eye comfort, so let's tap on it. Let me turn it on just by tapping on the switcher on the option enable all day, and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish. It is in order to filter the blue light. You can also change the intensity of that filter just by using the switcher. By going to the left you can make it cooler, and by going to the right warmer. It's up to you which level is the most comfortable for you. Here we've got also a flicker reduction, which means that you can reduce flickering on the screen. This will affect color balance and auto brightness control. Up to you whether you want to use it. You can also schedule that feature. Just tap on the switcher at the top, and here you can you can freely choose the start and the end time. Whichever option you will choose, your device will simply apply the eye comfort in between the start and the end time. Let me show it to you, for example, like 8 o'clock. So as you can see, we are between those start and the end time, and the eye comfort has been applied. So this is the whole customization of this feature, and if you want to have much faster access to it, you have to unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully to open all of those icons and find eye comfort, which is right here. So simply tap on it to apply it and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.